Good morning everybody, Darran Butler here from the Grun Tea Emporium, and today we're going to brew a cup of turmeric green tea chai. What we like to do here at the Emporium is as soon as we open up a packet of Grun Tea, put it into an airtight container so it stays fresher for longer. So I've got some fresh ginger here, it's been scrubbed. Okay, first of all, I'm going to grate half a teaspoon of fresh ginger on the chopping board. Doesn't have to be perfect, just roughly does it. Okay, pack that in. This is to taste, by the way, so if you like it more spicy, put more in. What I'll do is I've got a pot over here. The ginger straight into the pot. Okay. Next I'm going to go and grab the powder itself. I'm going to put a slightly rounded teaspoon of powder straight into the pot also. There's that. And the kettle's already been boiled. So next what I'm going to do is fill the cup to the level where you like your water to be. So about 2/3 for me normally. That's to taste obviously. Pour that straight into the pot as well. Put that on the stove. What we're going to do is boil that on full heat until it boils for 2 minutes, and then we're going to let it sit after that to cool off a little bit. I'll see you back in 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. The Grun Tea has been steeping for a little while, so it's stopped boiling, not quite so hot. Now we're simply going to add some sweetener, our preferred sweetener, mine's Rapidura, into the cup. Throw a little rounded teaspoon into there. Going to get hold of the strainer, out of the way. Be very careful with this, ladies and gentlemen, because it's hot. And turmeric does stain if we spill it, so we'll have to take care with that one. Pour it all in, give it a little twist. Okay, next I'm going to add some cocoa quench. Give it a little shake. Love it with cocoa quench, it's just delicious. And there, try not to spill it. Okay, so that's in there. We're going to give it a little stir now, get that sweetener running through there. Just while we're here, you might have noticed I've got a little tub here, so it's pre-grated ginger. It's handy for if you're going to make a whole pot of Grun Tea, and it's just more organised. So now I've got that done, I've got my hot cup of tea, all ready and done, ready to enjoy. Let's sit down and enjoy this. Now we're saying hello to our new hot friend.